Good morning, dear students, respected viewers, and beloved learners. Today, again, I appeared before all of you along with other part of grammar, so called clause. So first of all, let us understand what is basic difference between clause and sentence. The first and foremost, we have to know what is sentence. A group of words that gives a complete sentence and it is meaningful, that is called a sentence. But so far as clause is concerned, a group of word phrase but it is not in complete sentence, that is called a clause. So today I want to discuss about a clause. You know, there are three clauses. First, noun clause, adjective clause, and adverbial clause. So today I want to discuss with all of you, and simultaneously it is my strong desire to impart some knowledge of clauses to my dear students, my dear learners and respected viewers. So first of all, let us know noun clause. Noun clause is first part known as principal clause. Second part is known as subordinate clause. But noun clause starts with what, where, when, which, that, etc. On the basis of example, we can say what he speaks is not clear. What he speaks is not clear. Here you have to analyze like that. First you have to write a principal clause. Every sentence, you know, there is one principal clause. Just I have spoken, what he speaks is not clear. It is not clear what he speaks. It is not clear, that is a principal clause. What he speaks, that is subordinate clause. Next example, where he lives is not known to anybody. Where he lives is not known to anybody. So you have to analyze like that. It is known where, just listen, where he lives is not known to anybody. It is known anybody, that is a principal clause. Where he lives, that is subordinate clause. Again, just this is called a subject to the verb. Now take another example, subject to the TV. TV means a transitive verb. he does not know when his father will come from Delhi. He does not know, that is a principal clause. When his father will return from Delhi, that is subordinate clause. Again, take another example. I do not know what he writes. I do not know, that is a principal clause. What he writes is considered subordinate clause. So these such type of sentences are considered noun clause. Noun clause is having one principal clause and second subordinate clause. So basically these type of sentences are considered noun clause. Generally noun clause, adjective clause and adverbial clause are asked in competitive examination. If students want to appear in competitive examination like TGT in Kendra Vidyalaya, PGT, and in main examination, such type of questions are asked. Even in 11th class, 10 class also, clauses are there. So without clauses, we cannot have clear concept, and every sentence is having principal clause and subordinate clause. So most of the students do not have a clear concept about a principal clause and subordinate clause. Apart from that, students do not have clear concept what is noun clause, what is adjective clause, what is adverbial clause. So my dear students, today, my dear viewers and learners, today I have discussed not in detail, in brief about noun clause. And if you like, you must subscribe my channel, Sahdev channel. And again tomorrow I will appear before all of you and I will discuss about adjective clause and adverbial clause. So today I do not want to take much time because today is Sunday. You enjoy, let me enjoy. Thank you very much, my dear students.